Today, I'm so excited to share a new recipe that we just came up with. It's a spin-off of an old-fashioned pot pie, but with a trendy twist. And the best part, it's weeknight easy and downright comforting. Let me show you. We start by combining a couple cans of cream of chicken soup along with some milk and a few spices, stirring it till it's smooth. To that, we add a package of frozen broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, along with some cooked rotisserie chicken that we've shredded. Once that's mixed, we pour it into a baking dish and pop it in the oven. While that's heating up, we cut a package of refrigerated biscuits into quarters and toss them with some butter. Next, we'll top the casserole with the biscuits, and back into the oven it goes for a few more minutes. When the top is golden brown and the filling is bubbling hot, it's ready to serve. Let me tell you, this is one simple way to make a tasty pot pie that certainly will grab everyone's attention. Why not go to MrFood.com and get the recipe for our Easy Chicken Bubble Bake so you can shake up your dinner with a one-pan meal that's a thumbs-up winner. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You love eating.